Hello class. I just wanted to give you a quick video to update you on the things I'll be looking for from you by Monday before class starts. Um, so here's an example of a project that was analyzed. Um, first by the process of using the SketchUp as a kind of analysis of rebuilding it so that I could understood the different spaces and how this thing was put together. And again, this is a concrete structure. I know that you all have been working pretty hard on a wood structure. The next image would be kind of talking about the building section. So these were items that I was looking at you converting back to line drawings as an AutoCAD. So here is an example of a kind of a section that was done, kind of showing the walls and the relationships of the spaces in the building. There again, the kind of floor lines to your right. The other item is the kind of diagrammatic drawings, and this was specifically focused on how the building was structured with the different kinds of wood systems, and if there was metal that was used to kind of hold things together. I know that that was in a few of the cases. So here are some examples: sketching, model making, and kind of hardline drawings that were used to kind of explain the building. And then of course these want to be kind of organized and represented of the structure. This particular exercise, I'm asking everybody to do this as a PowerPoint so that you can organize it and then turn it into a PDF and send it to me. But as you can see here, this is all kind of formatted in a kind of 8.5 by 11. Therefore, again, I want you to make sure you've got those items shown. I've also got a PDF, as I mentioned before, that kind of articulates the different things I'll be looking for in your package. One will be the kind of brief description of the project. Make sure you have your name on it. I also want you to kind of have the name of the project, name of the architect, designer, and engineers, if that's possible, that put the project together, depending on which one you have. Also where the project is located, and then of course the date it was finished. This particular one, I actually had the date for when it started and to it finished because it was extremely long for a residence. The next page would be an image of your SketchUp model showing how you kind of analyzed. Now in this particular case I've got two different images, but here the one kind of showing the foundations, this one really just showing it how it sets on the site. The next image is the overall building section. So this one is kind of really showing the foundations and the structural system, but then again the overall building, and that will be important. And then this one is the kind of wall section, and so this starts to get a little more detailed about how the wall works. In this particular case, you know, the floor structure and the roof structure, and then of course the glass enclosure of the main space. So this could be done in AutoCAD. If you have these kind of notes on it, great, but I'm very interested in understanding how you've analyzed how the building is structurally supported by the wood system. Here is actually two different diagrams on the same sheet. So one kind of showing the kind of main structure at the floor and a main structure at the roof. This one is also diagramming how the framing structure of the building. And then the next page is really another diagram kind of showing the windows and how they're how the different steel is used and how that connects to the building. So therefore the detailing again of the building. This looks like this was probably hand drawn, so hand drawing, model making, and then of course AutoCAD drafting, all accepted for this this exercise. Make sure you're taking pictures of the models and so that those are in there. But my goal is to make sure that you don't use any photographs of the project. I want you to describe the project completely by the information that you have researched and your drawings. So anyway, that's all I have for now. Good luck and with getting your project done. I'll look forward to seeing those on Monday, and then we'll start the process of working on the next exercise. So thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.